When they pass, you say they report for you. Wait.
And the reason why you have gathered here today.
Okay, thank you, gentlemen of the press. My name is Sani Abbas. I'm a lawyer and also a member of the All Progressive Congress. And we are here today in solidarity to show support to INEC and also commend INEC. For the first time, we've had a peaceful election in Kogi State. It is not just peaceful, it is credible, and it has met all standards. By the special grace of God, we have a new sheriff in Kogi State, courtesy of INEC. So we also want to urge INEC that INEC should pay deaf ears to any form of propaganda coming from any quarters. They are all mere cheap propaganda. There are stages to everything. Even a pregnant woman has stages. There's a stage to be pregnant, there's the critical stage, and there's the stage to deliver. INEC has delivered this election. And we want to tell INEC that at this point they are functus official. Whoever has any challenge should go to court. The INEC at this point, upon announcing a candidate, any propaganda coming from anywhere should be channeled to the court and not to disturb INEC. And we want to urge INEC that they have our full support, and we are thanking the chairman of INEC, Professor Mahmoud. We thank you so much for protecting the mandate of the Kogites. The entire Kogi State are saying thank you, and we urge you once again to pay deaf ears to any form of propaganda. They are all cheap lies. Kogi State election was very peaceful, well conducted, and critical materials arrived every polling unit right on time. There was no delay of any form. So anybody saying all sorts of cheap and lies from the pit of hell is only trying to cause problem. That person does not have the interest of Kogi at heart, and he doesn't have the interest of Nigeria at heart. So it is, once again, we are saying in clear terms that anybody that has any issue should channel it to the tribunal. We are waiting for them. Thank you so much. Your name is Sani Abbas. I'm a member of the APC. I'm a legal practitioner. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Your designation and your reaction.
Yeah, my name is Oladele John Nihi. I'm a Kogite and I'm also the Vice President for Youth in the whole of Africa. We are here this morning to first and foremost appreciate the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. As you are aware, this is the first election the President will be conducting under his administration. I want to say that President Bola Ahmed Tinubu has conducted the most freest and fairest election in the history of Nigeria. The election in Kogi State, the election in Bayelsa, the election in Imo State has met all requirements of the law and all minimum standard needed to conduct an election. Also, as you are aware, the election in Kogi State, where I come from, is one of the most freest elections. As you can see, even the candidates of some various political parties, particularly the candidate of PDP, who happens to come from my local government, Senator Dino, his people has rejected him. Even the Kogites has also rejected him. As you are aware, it's only those who don't know Dino that will take him seriously. Dino is a political jobber, he's a political businessman. Every election year, we always come out to contest. We contest for House of Rep, we contest for Senate, we contest for governor, because Dino has seen election period as a way of making money. I only pity PDP leaders who contributed money for Dino to run an election. Because in the last election, you can see, Dino did not spend a dime in the election. Dino did not even vote for himself. It shows that Dino did not believe in himself. If Dino did not believe in himself, if Dino cannot vote for himself, it shows that Dino did not even believe in himself. And for him not to believe in himself, Kogi did not believe in him. So we are saying that INEC has conducted a free and fair election, and so the mandate and the election that the mandate that Kogi has given to Ododo must stand. Yes. Nothing must happen to it. We commend the INEC for this wonderful job, and we say kudos. Kogi has decided, and we support INEC and we support the federal government. My name is Oladelejo. I'm from the Jumu local government area of Kogi State, and I'm the vice president for youth in the whole of Africa. Thank you. I'm vice president.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is David Oluwakayode Emmanuel. I'm the PDP youth leader Kababunu local government. We are here this morning to speak to INEC, to commend INEC for the credible job they come to Kogi State to do. To give INEC kudos, because they have not only come to Kogi, they've come to Kogi to rescue the mandate of the people. They conduct free, fair, and transparent election. And also, we want to use this opportunity to appreciate the security agency, the army, the police, the civil defense, all the security agencies who were in Kogi for a job well done, because it has is a transparent election, because it was transparent, peaceful, and everybody, it is how you lie your bed, you lay on it. When government said government of the people, by the people, and for the people. But when government turned to the government of the greedy, by the greedy. When people, society, democracy turn to the people that is loyal, and some people are not loyal. When PDP primary was done, we have premiered this, that if the PDP fail to do proper practical primaries, to conduct a free, fair primary, that today, November level election, that PDP will be struggle to take third. And today, INEC, we appeal to INEC to come and conduct free, fair primary, and they conducted free, fair primary. And today, we can see what has happened in Kogi. The election was free, fair, and we want to appreciate the INEC chairman for a job well done. And we don't expect less because of the good job of Alhaji Yaya Adoza Bello, what he has been doing in Kogi State. That is the reason why we could say. So the battle between PDP is not against any political party. It's PDP versus PDP. And until they retreat from their evil practice, before we stop, until they go back and tender an apology to Kogi people, and bring back our mandate, and and stop doing things the way they are doing it, and do it the way Kogi people should supposed to be. Thank you. God bless you. My name is Oluwakayode Emmanuel, PDP youth leader. Yes. I'm from Kababunu local government. Kababunu local government, Kogi West Senatorial District.
Gentlemen of the press. Gentlemen of the press, my name is Kogi. I'm the convener of Kogi Youth New Generation. Once again, my name is Comrade Richard Otitoleke. I'm the convener of Kogi New Generation. We are here this morning for a singular purpose. We are here to commend the peaceful, credible, and fair election that INEC has conducted in Kogi State.
Yes.
In the past, we are aware of the kind of election that do happen in Kogi State. They will be characterized with violence, malpractice before now, but in the last 2 or 3 elections that happened in Kogi State, INEC has conducted, especially this November 11, 2023 election, as one of the most credible elections that's ever happened in this country. We give room for improvement, why not? But for anyone to come and rubbish a sensitive agency or institution of government like INEC because you did not win the election, it is totally out of place. We will not support such. If you contest election and you lose, the proper thing as a responsible citizen for you to do is to go to the tribunal. You need not incite the people against INEC. You need not incite the people against the Nigerian police. And I want to use this medium to Especially appreciate the Nigeria Police, the Nigeria Army, the Civil Defense, who carry out exercise to ensure there is a peaceful election in Kogi State. This is the singular purpose why we are here. Greatest Kogi! Greatest Kogi! Greatest Kogi! Somebody say no.